on that fucking nigga shit. Take that nigga bitch and then I pass her to the click. I say, see me, I don't got no time for no bitch. I just get it for the bros, I'm just worried about them chips. I'm a side call, little
What's up, NeciyGang? It's your girl Necy, and I'm with my cousin Jenny. And today we're gonna be making something. This is my first video. I'm trying to keep it nice and simple. So let's get straight to the video. Anyway, we're gonna be using neon colors. We do have assorted colors.
Yes, but that's blue.
She opened it from the bottom.
I didn't know, but
when it was already open at the top.
We actually want that
we're gonna use neon colors. It's
color.
blue.
Yes, I love that blue. That blue is pretty.
So I'm gonna do one light drop because I want it like a pretty light like blue.
Oh yeah, let's do one drop.
So I'm gonna start. Yes, we have straws because I'm not gonna use the silverware.
It will dye the silverware if you don't want to dye the silverware.
Well, it's not gonna dye the silverware.
I might use pink or something, but it's too late now. I know. That's why I said it's too late now. Oh, look at that.
Actually, you can.
Look at that blue.
Yeah, this
will
is
it make it
light blue.
Like, will it make that pretty? Pretty?
This is more light blue.
Yeah.
Actually, I am going to use pink so I can make it purple.
Oh, yeah.
Even though I already got purple.
Let's just use one dot of pink. That's red.
This pink.
Oh, it looks red.
So, I just added pink in there. Now I'm going to make it purple.
Oh, I might add this in.
I might
glitter, add
so
two drops of that in. So actually, I'm going to just add one drop of that. Put the top on it, back on it, so it doesn't dry out. Oh, dang it, I put 2 drops. I was supposed to put 1.
Alright, so I made this color purple.
I think that was orange. I didn't know. I think that was orange. Dang, you're going faster than me. I'm gonna try to go fast.
Alright, so next we're gonna be using
some
tie.
My hands.
This thing. We're gonna be using some tie.
We're lucky we got
We're gonna try to kind of overactivate it, but not really too much.
Yeah, because overactivated is good, but not too much overactivated.
Leave me to talking. Okay.
I know about slam too. Oh, look at that.
Because I told you some things.
Guys, that is so pretty. Yeah, you should never told me.
Alright.
You just gotta
open it. I'm gonna add a little bit more.
I want to leave it like this. I want to leave it like this. Can you leave it like this? Will it be pretty if you leave it like this? And just put it in?
If you want.
Yeah.
But it's gonna mix in.
Huh?
It's gonna mix in.
I know. It's gonna do weird.
Alright, so mine's turned into slime. I just need to knead it. It's gonna be very messy, guys. So.
Yes, guys, it's gonna be messy. There's only a little bit. Look how much is in there compared to you. Wow, guys. Look at that.
Turn it to slime.
Ew, Ducky. See? It's gonna be messy and ducky.
Now,
but once you get to know it, it's gonna be good.
What is this?
What is this?
What is this?
What is that?
What is this? This is purple, by the way, so if you guys don't remember, it's purple.
And I was gonna do blue, but oh, can I add more full coloring into it? Because I want it.
No, too much.
Too much? Because I only added 1 drop of blue.
So did I, girl. You being too extra.
I know, I like being extra. Extra is my thing. Why you think I talk too much?
No, that's just how you born. You talk a lot.
No, I do. Guys, just to be honest, I do talk too much. So don't ever...
Yeah, they can tell in the video.
Wow.
See, now mine turned into slime.
So don't ever start a conversation with me because I talk too much.
that's making a reputation below. Because people who are looking at this video, they're gonna be like, oh, I don't need to be her friend. And to you guys who are watching this video, make sure you like and subscribe. Because I'm trying to hit 10 subscribers. Like seriously, I just started this channel and then
10 subscribers.
Yeah, I'm trying to get to 10 subscribers. And the next time I'm gonna go to 20, then 30. Gonna keep 40, on going up because I need 60, these subscribers.
70, 80, and 90, and then 100. And guys, make sure you go subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Link in the description below.
Go subscribe to my channel and hers.
Alright, so when I know my slime is done is when it's like this and stuff.
My slime.
Girl, you finna get some on me?
I know.
But when I know my slime is done is when it's like this. And
and when your bowl
I
is
will
kind
clean
of clean.
my bowl, yeah. I don't know when it's
like
all.
it's not that clean, but it's clean.
Like you need to get all of that slime out because that's just wasting glue.
Yeah, that's just. My glue is still in there. I have to get it. You're so effing precious when you smile. I need more activator.
That's what I'm getting.
Oh, that's why you said hold up. Like, what is this right now? Is this the queen of making my slime? Tide is the best. I would rather use Tide than other stuff, and I would rather use Gang too, because Gang is the best too. But the Tide,
hey,
the
Journey, guess what? Stop talking.
You're mean. She's mean.
No, like seriously, I'm over here being quiet, and this is my video.
See, I talk too much. See, you could already tell I talk too much.
So you ain't finna be numb on my videos.
You're mean.
I'm just kidding. Alright, so guess what, guys? I'm going to light my slime on fire. Oh, shoot. My hands sticky. I'm slippery.
Like when her hands are not slippery, she's gonna light them on fire. Like, what happened to my slime ball?
It'll burn into ashes.
What happened to my slime ball?
Oh, your slime. Oh, you just totally messed it up. That's all.
I didn't do anything to it.
Just keep on kneading. You see mine's right now, it's finna come apart. It's coming apart. Now I'm still kneading. And then it's finna come right back into slime.
Alright, mine's gonna come right back into slime.
That's a total fail right
See,
there.
look.
Oh, yours coming into slime.
Yeah. Now
like yours was kind of total.
Yes.
You better get this.
This
girl.
is a maybe. My slime is a maybe. Her slime is a
kind of maybe.
Yeah.
Maybe super maybe kind of.
Yeah, super maybe. Hers is probably super maybe. Look at mine. Mine's already turning into something now. Like ever since I started kneading it again, it turned into slime. Like seriously, that's how slime works. It's so petty.
Alright, see y'all, my bowl is clean, not all the way, but it's clean. That's when I know I am done.
Light it on fire.
Well, when my hands is done.
Yeah. Really dirty. Oh, these flies. I hate flies, guys. Get your slime. Your slime. My slime. I think your slime is gonna be pokey. This looks like clear glue every time I think about clear glue. Dang. Bro. They just messed up their yard. Those white people on the streets. I'm sorry.
Stop being racist.
I'm sorry. Bye.
So y'all, we're talking about
those people.
this trash.
This trash.
You see all that trash right there, like, bruh, come on now, it wasn't that much trash.
Y'all moving out, but y'all still got trash.
It wasn't that dirty, like,
Yeah, it wasn't that messy when they got there.
Like, it's just all trash on the floor. Who does that? Come on now. Let's be real. This is
Wow.
This is not fantasy. This is realistic.
Oh, can we do poking clips of ourselves?
Shush. We're talking about slime. How we make slime. Not talking about what should we do in the next video. Right, guys? Right.
Don't agree with her, because I will smack you guys in your faces. And she knows how I am.
Y'all come get the stuff out of this living room and off this table for y'all.
Thank you all so much for watching. Now make sure y'all like and subscribe to this video and this channel. Hope y'all have an amazing day. Goodbye. And do whatever you want to do. Like, seriously, I really don't care.
Lately been on that fucking nigga shit. Take a nigga bitch and then I pass it to the click. I say, see me, I don't got no time for no bitch. I just get it for the bros. I'm just worried about them chips. I'm a shot call, little